After watching this video, you'll know if our Commercial Management Traineeship is what you're looking for. With resilience and ownership, this program will help you pursue a career within our sales and commercial department, transforming you to become one of our future leaders in our sales function and beyond. Want to learn how to drive sales, negotiate commercial deals, and become the next sales and commercial leader at the world's biggest brewer? Then listen on. It's an 18-month hands-on program where you will be selling our amazing brands, build customer relationship, and learn about business strategy. You will join our on-trade team, visiting bars and restaurants, or the off-trade team, visiting retailers, where you will build strong relationships with our customers to activate our brands and to gain market share. On top of that, you'll have a strategic project in which you'll get to brush up on those sales and project management skills. The best way to develop yourself is by doing. So 70% of your time is learning on the job, being on the front line, driving growth through business development, negotiating, and building key relationships with our customers. 20% will be filled with mentorship and coaching from leaders. 10% is formal training with our learning and development curriculum, learning all about the commercial world of our category, revenue, the perfect sales pitch, and how to negotiate a commercial deal. You own your career, and based on your capabilities and contributions, the time will come to take that next step into one of our sales and commercial teams. Exciting opportunities as a key account manager, wholesale account manager, or trade marketing executive are frequent roles we see you advancing your career in. I can hear you thinking, where do I apply? Well, the program is available in 7 countries: Belgium, France, Germany, Italy, the Netherlands, the Canary Islands, and the UK. Our recruitment process starts a year prior, in September. The program is designed for recent and soon-to-be graduates who speak English fluently, as well as the local language of the country where they apply. We also require a willingness to be on the road for your job and a driver's license. You can visit our website for more details and to learn more about our recruitment process.
Come and own it.